Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and updated guide on how to share a video in a chat on the X app. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step process will make it easy to send any video directly to your friends or groups. First, open the X app on your device. Give it a moment to load and make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. Once you're in, take a look at the options along the bottom of your screen. Here you'll find the message icon. It usually looks like an envelope. Tap on that to enter your messages. Inside the Messages tab, you'll see a list of your conversations. Tap on the chat where you'd like to share your video. It could be a private message with one person, or it could be a group conversation. Once inside the chat, look toward the bottom where you normally type your messages. You'll notice a small gallery icon, which is the shortcut to the photos and videos saved on your device. Tap on that. Now, your phone's gallery will open up, showing you your most recent content. Scroll through until you find the video you'd like to send. Once you've selected the video, you'll usually see a preview so you can confirm it's the right one. When you're ready, tap Send, and the video will instantly be shared in the chat. That's it. Just a few quick steps, and your video is delivered. Sharing clips this way is perfect for sending a funny moment, an update, or anything you'd like your friends and contacts to see without having to post it publicly. If you ever want to share more than one video at a time, the process is the same. Simply select multiple clips from your gallery before hitting send. This is great for sharing highlights, event memories, or multiple short updates in one go. So now you know the updated way to share videos on the X app.